Jowa! Wala. Ang pumalakpak na may kasamang sigawan, yayaman! Be happy and contented for what you have while working for what you want. Because the secret to a happy and a very successful life begins with God and just only ends to God. Mayap nga beri po ka kayungan, or should I say a pleasant evening to each and everyone, to the honorable panel of judges. Ma'am, sir, and to all who are watching, magandang gabi po. Standing before you is a fresh and an innocent 21 years old son. I was baptized by the name Aris Manila Ramay. That tonight, please do allow me to stand up by the name Ayesha Marie MacLean. Ayesha Marie MacLean na nag-iiwan at naniniwala sa isang katagang. Kapag ang nanay mo'y ngumiti ng matamis, malamang sumweldo sa 4-piece. Pero pag si nanay palaging galit, panigurado na talo yan sa tong eats. At lagi po nating pakatandaan saan man po tayo mapadpad na hindi sa taas ng edukasyon masusukat ang pagkatao. Mababa man ho ang ating pinag-aralan kung alam nating rumispeto sa isa't isa. Mas kikilalanin pa po tayong edukado sa mga nagtapos. Muli, my name is Ayesha Marie Ramay, your candidate number 8, and I'm proudly representing Sitio Leonor.